Hi, this is Mary with Reverse Diary. This I could not close. I had to look because that's me. I just couldn't not look. This is The Box by Fashionsta. I can't remember if this was birthday or Mother's Day. I know one of the boxes that I'm unboxing was that kind of situation, but this one is going to go by the wayside with all the other beauty boxes I have. Nothing against you guys, Fashionsta, you're awesome. I do really enjoy this box. I think it's a great value. So far, it is still $25 a month. And so, there are things here. Espresso Yourself eyeshadow palette by Beauty Crop. Marabella iconic winged eyeliner stamp kit. Anyway, the Beauty Crop eye palette is $21. The Marabella eyeliner is $20. Then there is Belle Pierre official HD setting spray. Okay, I like trying things. And this is $19. I remember seeing that. It's a very small bottle. Then M. Greengrass. Now, I really like something else that we got from M. Greengrass before, and so I am looking forward to this hand and body butter. It's $24. It's a pretty big container. Then there's Belle Pierre, let's see, Twist Up Brow Pencil, $20. Ultra Slim. I just hope it's not too dark, but I can always give it to my daughter if it's too dark for me. Then there is Marabella Sculpt Contour Bronze Duo. Easy blendable minimal pressed powders to create dimension. We'll have to take a look at these. Anyway, that goes for $32. So the value of the box is $165 according to the card. That all adds up to $165. Oh, and then it says Millennial Beauté CBD Bud Naked Whole Body Exfoliator, $29. Did we get 7 items in here? Let's take a look, because it can be anywhere from 4 to, I guess, 7 items. So let me take out the most gigantic thing first, and that is this M. Greengrass Skincare Hand and Body Butter. Fragrance is Northern Lights, and it is blackcurrant, bergamot, apple, rose, jasmine, birch, oak, moss, amber, and patchouli. Oh my God, that sounds so good. Let me smell it. Hold on, don't go anywhere. This smells amazing. Now, it looks a little too thick to be in a pump dispenser, so we'll see how that goes. I don't think the bottle's very flexible, but I guess we'll find out as we go along. Next biggest, ooh, heavy. Oh my God, really heavy. Oh, we did get 7 things. Bud Naked CBD Body Scrub. Ooh. Yeah, you can't really see the writing, I don't think. Maybe you can. This looks really nice, like a pink scrub, and I do appreciate that this is in a glass jar. A lot of times will reuse these, but certainly the ability to recycle is always something that's at the top of my list. So I am looking forward to that. Okay, the next thing that is reaching out to be touched is this Sculpt by Marabella. This is begging to be opened, so hold on. That was really hard. Now, this is much darker than it looks on screen. However, I think that if I use a blending brush, I might be able to use this bronzer. Uh-oh, there's no plastic on there, and I'm so used to plastic being on things. It must have fallen out. Yeah, it's on the floor, so I can't put it back in there anyway, because I have a dog who runs around here. So, yeah, so this is pretty. I think I might like it, especially if I don't have to fight with it every time I open it. I imagine it'll start to loosen up over time. It is a really beautiful compact. We'll have to see how that works out. It might end up being really good. Okay, so I opened the next couple boxes. One of them is the eyebrow pencil by I want to make sure I say the name of the companies. This is by Belle Pierre. Unfortunately for me, it looks like it's going to be dark. You can see the dark, well, you can't see the dark band, but I'm probably going to end up giving this to my daughter. It's in the color number 010, and it says deep brown. Now, you all know I am not deep brown. So, yeah, this actually would be really good for my daughter. So that'll be another thing that I declutter to her, and she'll probably enjoy it. She does her eyebrows way better and more often than I do. So, yeah, that'll be nice for her. Then the next thing is a Marabella Iconic Eyeliner. Now, it's completely enrobed in plastic. I am not going to take it apart. Now, it has a stamp on one end, so I guess you can stamp a triangle if you want to do a cat eye, and it just has a regular liner on the other end. I probably will never use the stamp end and only use the liner end. So guys, have you used anything like this? Just wondering if you have, how you like it. So next is this little Belle Pierre setting spray. Now, we did get 7 things, so it's okay that one of these things is really small. This is Belle Pierre HD setting spray. So it's high definition makeup setting spray for lasting matte finish. This sounds really nice. I use setting spray mainly because when I use powder, I don't like looking like a powdery old lady. So what I do is I'll spray, and it just seems to make everything settle down and look smooth and beautiful. So yeah, I am definitely a big proponent of setting sprays. I know some people aren't, but you know, everyone's different. So then there is this Espresso Yourself by Beauty Crop. Now, I did open this to make sure it wasn't broken, and I do really like it. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you. Okay, well, this is freaking gorgeous. I did see it in natural daylight and really, really liked it, and I still really like it now. It's beautiful. The plastic sheet was on there. It has like stickum on it, so I'm gonna see if I can put it back on. But yeah, it's just too beautiful. So I am happy to have gotten this. I do like Beauty Crop as a brand. They're cruelty free, and you know, at least I believe they are. Yes, it says cruelty free on the back. And you know, I always look forward to new palettes. I know I have a lot of palettes, but here's the thing. My palettes are old. So I don't get upset over palettes because I really need to replace some of my old palettes. So anyway, I really do like pretty much everything in this box. You know, I don't always love everything in the boxes, but this one just really impressed me, and I honestly am really happy to have this stuff. Like, it's just, I believe it's a really nice box, and if you're looking for a box that's still $25 a month, this is definitely a worthwhile purchase if you're looking for a box to like build up your skincare and build up your makeup. I'm not going to be renewing this, not because there's anything wrong with it, but because, you know, I have a lot of stuff. So enough is enough, right? So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.